If your Ring doorbell keeps going offline even when your Wi-Fi seems fine, it can be frustrating. In this guide, we will break down the most common causes and show you quick step-by-step fixes to get your doorbell back online. One of the most common reasons your Ring doorbell goes offline is a slow battery. Even if it still has some charge, a weak battery can interrupt the connection. Open your Ring app and check your battery level. The app will alert you if it's running low. If it is, simply recharge or replace the battery. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. Now test your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Try connecting other devices like your phone or laptop to the same network. If they work fine, the issue is likely with the Ring doorbell itself. But if other devices are also having trouble, your internet connection might be the problem. In that case, you may you may need to restart your router to contact your internet service provider. Sometimes the problem isn't the Wi-Fi speed, it's the signal strength. Your Ring doorbell needs a clear, strong connection. If your router is far away or hidden behind walls, furniture, or inside a closet, the signal can weaken. Please place your router in an open, central location, ideally closer the doorbell, to reduce dropouts and keep the connection stable by checking your battery, testing Wi-Fi, and improving router placement. You can easily fix an offline Ring doorbell quickly without any complicated tech works. Thanks for watching.